The first reaction getting out on the track and turning the first few laps?
It was obviously, damn, this is a long straightaway. But in actuality, after you held it on the deck and came out of the corner, it didn't really seem all that long. You do have a lot of time going down it, but you get cooking so good that passes fairly fast. I guess we got GPS there like 163 miles an hour, something like that. So it's fun.
Does the sensation of speed?
Oh yeah.
How different is it?
It's a lot different. Went in turn 3 once, it's a little too deep, and sideways at about that speed was a little bit hairy, but it was good. Yeah, the sensation, you're just not turning the wheel as much, like where you're normally ripping and tearing at the wheel, you're just barely moving the wheel, and the car's doing 5 times the reaction that it normally does. So I just find myself just being a little bit more smoother than smooth as I could be, and I'm going well, I'm happy. So.
Was it everything you expected?
Oh yeah, it's everything. I actually think it's fast. That's actually the fastest I've ever been my entire life, even on the highway. So, no, yeah, like I said, it's exactly everything. The only thing I think it's surprising is just like everybody else is saying, we're not really using as much brakes as we thought we would. I tried both styles, using brake, using a lot, using no brake, and I found what's working best for me is little to none. So. But I'm surprised we aren't really beating up on brakes. So,
how the times you guys are putting up? Are you happy with what you're doing?
I'm very happy. We did not buy tires today, and we've had nothing but old tires on, and we are a couple tenths down, but those new tires we're right there. I'm extremely happy. I think in this afternoon when we get going out there and we get into the big, bunch of us, we'll really get a heads up on how we're actually going. Fair, but I know my turn 3 and 4 is real fast. 1 and 2, I'm still working on a little, but I'm happy. I think when we put tires on this car, we're gonna have quite a good race apiece.
Is this, and this is the big track. I mean, is there sort of a dream come true kind of feel to all of that?
Yeah. In actuality, this may be the biggest race that I ever raced in my entire life. If I'm fortunate enough to get the actual invite. And this is obviously the biggest race ever. It may end up being the biggest race ever, So I think it's the pinnacle of us local late model weekly racers, So I think
as a guy on water from Illinois.
Yep.
When you come to a place, just rolling in here this morning with the
Oh yeah, with the big bleachers. I know. I said to my guys. People's bleachers are almost that big. They started laughing. But no, so yeah, we got here, and then it's just it's a very nice raceway. So we get invited.